guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hi everyone, so this is chapter 46 of My Wife, titled Avenge Gujao. Let's start reading. So pinahuli niya yung mga tao. Ito talaga si Mr. Ko. Please work with us or we won't show you any mercy. O diba nabaliktad sila yung hinuli. Why doesn't Mr. Yan punish them? But kick us out. You can't do this to me. Uy, connection niya si Mr. Yan. Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang, te? Young master, I'm... Even Nanifang is taken away? Of course. Kasama siya everyone nga, di ba? Let go of me. I want to see Mrs. Ko. I'm her maid. Wala, be. Pinahuli ka din. Clump. See? I helped you vent your spleen. O, di ba? Proud na proud. Proud siya na pinunish niya yung mga katulong para lang sa kanya. Hold on. Good job. Nashock sila kasi ginawa pala ni Master Go yun para ka Gujao. You kick so many people out just to avenge Gujao? Well, technically yes. Pinahuli niya talaga. It bleeds so much. Is it severely injured? Diba? Casually lang sila nakikipag-usap samantalang pinapalayas yung mga nasa paligid nila. Pinahuli yung dalawang katulong. Kasama ba yung gwardiya? Yeah, I gotta bind it up. Diba? Nagpakit pa yung pusa. It wags its tail. Happy din siya kasi na-rescue siya. Ngunit, diba? You can come to my yard. Duuya, bring me a clean piece of blanket. It's Yuya, that's Duuya. See? Nautusan pa siya pero go pa rin. Yung master yan eh. Yes, sir. I'm Yuya. Sorry. No murder yung name. Alright. I've bound it up and it stopped bleeding. Do you have goat's milk here? Goat's milk. Goat's milk para sa dog? Sure. Do. I'm coming. Interrupt. I'm Yuya. Hindi nga Duya, Yuya nga. Kulit nito ni Master yan ha. Young Master? Squeak. We are here to... To what? You drunk it up? Siya pa nag-check sa sarili niya. Na-check niya yung heartbeat niya. Diagnose you? Didn't they say he was kicking someone out of here? What's going on here? Aking makialam. Young master, let me take your pulse. Siya pang check ng pulse. Well, technically, doctor din naman talaga siya. Pero mas magaling lang talaga si Gujo kaysa sa kanya, di ba? He's still far weaker than ordinary people. But it's much better than the previous time. Siyempre, ko ba naman bigyan ng gamot para sa puso talaga? High-tech na gamot talaga, yung modernized. You're getting better, sir. Please keep taking medicine. Girl, have you brought the medicine with you? Don't forget to give it to Mr. Go later. Ah, magaling mag-pretend si Doc. I gave it to him a dozen days ago. Nabigay na niya, late ka na. Pasensya ka. My lord, the young master drove all of them out. Yuru comes from the capital city and always despises our servants. Yuru? Sino nga si Yuru? Yung katulong ni yung napalitan na anak. She got her lesson this time, but Nanny Fang was wronged. She was wrong. Who gave her the right to kick that girl out? Hindi ko maintindihan. Kanino ba siya galit? Rice. She must forget that she's still a servant. Even though I don't tell people about that girl's identity, I don't allow anyone to bully her. Weh, di nga. Where is she now? She went to Mr. Yan's yard. I'll have a look at her. Magana? My lord, how should we deal with those people outside? Keep Nanny Fang here and send anyone else away. So si Nanny Fang lang yung ititira niya. The rest, yung dalawang guards, tapos yung si Yuro. Goodbye na. Pati nga sa kanila. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. May pa-woof, woof ka na, ha? They are just enough to make the doghouse. Ay, gumawa sila ng doghouse. So the young master were going to keep the dog. Ooh. Yes, I'll ask Duya to put more touch in it. Duya Yuya nga, hindi nga Duya. From afar. Yung father nila nakatilingin lang. They are really a pigeon pair. Yan mo lang napansin. Maybe it's not a bad thing to publish your identity and take her home. My lord. What are you doing here? I'll whisper Yandao. I heard that Miss Go came here. I'm here to protect you from being beaten up by her. Alam talaga nila magugulpi yung master nila. I was able to defeat her. I just didn't take it seriously. I'm convinced. Well, do you have a needle? I want to get her blood. Sure, but what are you gonna do? You don't believe that she's your daughter, do you? Hindi ka pa rin naniniwala? I do, but she doesn't. Siya yung ayaw maniwala. I'm gonna show her the evidence to persuade her. You didn't put it in a proper way. Why can't you explain it to her? Oo nga, hindi mo kasi inayos pag-explain kaya ganyan. Siguro mas mabuti pa yung servants na lang yung mag-explain. Do you have any problems? Nilapitan niya yung dalawa. Let me help you guys. Sorry ka. Pero parang ayaw nila sa'yo. Feel ko lang. You block the light. Don't get in the way. Pinagalitan ng anak. Brat, don't forget I'm your father. Ayaw nga nila sa'yo, di ba? Well, bring this to her. With sleeping pills inside. Oh no. Yes, my lord. Ikaw kasi hindi man lang kasi sabihin sa kanya ng maayos. You don't cooperate with me, so don't blame me. Mhm. It's as easy as pie to get her blood when she's asleep. You think so? Doktor yan. Marunong yan umamoy ng mga herbal. Please enjoy it, Miss Ko. I leave you to yourself. Mhm. They put sleeping pills inside. O, diba? Sabi na, maamoy niya eh. Hold on. Who asked you to bring this to me? Huh? His lordship. Galit na naman siya. He's as old as my father, but he still plays such a dirty trick. I can't believe he's a pervert. Ay, yun pala talaga. Hindi niya inisip na father niya talaga. Okay. She misinterpret the words. Dapat kasi explain niya. Sana siguro yung katulong na lang magsabi, hindi to si ano. What the hell? Lagot ka. Ginalit mo siya. Hey, let me explain. I actually take this. Ah! I can swim, help! Don't slap my face. Bo. Anong nangyari? My lord, why are you hanging on the tree? Ouch! I'll suffer each time I see that girl. She must be a jinx. Yuck yarn. I'm not gonna publish her identity. Hindi na niya ipapakilala. Classy. I've done my work today. I gotta wait at the cross for the courage to take me home. Please tell Mr. President Lee that I've checked on Mrs. Lee. She's fine, but her memories get blurred at her age. Okay, thank you, Miss Ko. This is the sugar that Mrs. Lee prepares for you. Please take it. Thank you. Mrs. Lee? Sino nga yan yung president? Mrs. Lee seems to be very into mulberry. Mulberry. Ano nga yan? Let me ask the owner if I can get some for Mrs. Lee. Knock knock. Cough. Coming. It's you, lady. Uy, yung mother niya. Whoa, what a coincidence. I didn't expect you to live so remotely. Is she the lady I often see on the mountain? Please come in. This is Goss Mansion. Goss Mansion. So she's the Marquis, Guyan's mother. But why are there no servants around? I would like to keep my place quiet, so I sent all the servants to the front yard. This is the backyard. Do you also live nearby? I just passed by here. I saw the mulberries grow well. So I came to ask if I could get some. Sorry to bother you. No worries. I'll ask Nanny Lean to pick some for you. Mulberry. Ano nga yan? Ma-research ko yan mamaya. By the way, what's your name? Kuchao. We share the same surname. Maybe we are family in our previous lives. Inuubo na naman siya. Mrs. Ko, may I feel your pulse? Ipacheck mo na yan. Bakit sige ka ubo? Are you good at medical skills? I just know a little. Please, Miss Go. Take the pulse. Mom, I've collected these small berries. Okay, just put it over here. Over there pala. Judging from her pulse, I can tell she's not doing well and her actual situation is even worse. Mrs. Go, do you have a good sleep and appetite? Sa itsura niya parang wala siyang appetite. No, I can't hardly fall asleep. Dahil hindi siya makatulog, so wala din siyang gana. Nor do I have a good appetite, sabi niya eh. Does the symptoms start before you catch a cold? How did the doctor diagnose you? They said I was too anxious and they asked me to relieve my mind. I took some medicine but it didn't seem to work, so I stopped taking it. Too anxious. In other words, she suffers from depression. Oh, as well as hysteria. Hysteria. Image. It's dangerous once the disease hit her. Oo. Suicidal yung mga ganyan, di ba? Ma'am, remember to take the medicine according what I said to you. Where? You have to keep taking medicine so that you can be cured. O diba, ginagamot niya yung mama niya. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. See you in the next chapter, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.